My name is Robert Green. I'm the owner of RDG Company here in Greenville, South Carolina. We're a foam fabricating business. We specialize in water jet cutting of polyethylene sheets, cross-linked polyethylene sheets, and expanded polypropylene sheets. We also do custom sales cases with hard injection molded cases and soft canvas. Typical clients here at RDG Company are everything from Fortune 500 companies to a local mom and pop store. Some of our main problems and struggles here at RDG were getting the right people in the right places at the right time. As the business was coming in, we were really good at cutting and fabricating foam, but we really weren't good at running the front end of the business, as in answering phone calls, getting back to emails, having processes in place. We had so many orders coming in a short period of time. Our system was quickly antiquated. When partnering with Cogent, I considered a couple of primary factors. The main one was the people. The people at Cogent were able to come in and immediately feel a part of our RDG Company team. As a part of that company, I felt like they had some vested interest in helping us in really achieving our goals that we had set forth. From the very first phone call with Cogent, we ended up making a decision right away of going with Cogent Analytics. This was based on some prior experiences with some other companies that offered similar type services, but never the type of follow-up and the type of support that Cogent offered. When Arlen came and visited RDG Company, he brought forth a discovery process of which allowed us to discover who we really were at RDG Company. His acumen as far as getting us up to speed in a very short time frame was great. We had, within 2 hours, a complete plan of where we were at, where we could go. We had felt like we had plateaued as a company and we were just struggling with how do we get to the next level. Arlen went through our books, went through our processes, went out on our plant floor and just followed through a normal day at RDG. He took that information and he was able to translate it into, hey, here is where we can be. When Matt Baker came to RDG Company, we had an eye-opening first couple of days. This included taking people out of processes. This included going through our cash management. This included going through our production schedules. This included going through inventory. We were really good at cutting foam. We were really good at manufacturing our cases. However, on the front end of the business, we were just adequate at best on running the office area. Each day we were able to come in here and initiate a new process and flow that we would then integrate immediately into RDG's production processes. The company employees were all eager. The morale increased because some of the issues that we've been having that stopped at the owner, which is me, they were able to get out and be able to get solutions to on an immediate basis. One of the initiatives we worked on with Cogent Analytics was our inventory control. This has always been a bear as a small business and a guesstimate at best. With Matt, we were able to get up to an inventory system that we literally utilized the day that it was created, and we're still utilizing it. One of the changes that we have made is actually taking our employees and creating job descriptions and having accountability in place. My employees are happier now because now they clearly know what their expectations are as they're defined in their job descriptions. My favorite part of this Cogent Analytics experience has been what the future holds for us. Our future is now a whole lot easier to plan, and it's a whole lot easier to visualize. As a small business owner, sometimes you get tied up into day-to-day operations. It's very hard to see a vision for the future. With the Cogent Analytics team coming in and helping us, now we have a process and a step-by-step daily routine that we take, and each day we can get closer to our goals. I would gladly recommend Cogent Analytics.